Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is for all-round beauty and I do vlogs as well. To my new subscribers, thank you very much for joining the family. To my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you very much. If you've been following this in the life of a makeup artist, this is the third makeup that I did for that day, and she is part of the Asoebi ladies, so I got her ready. And before now I did the makeup of the bridal train. Yes, so I couldn't really capture the entire process of this makeup because we were out of time and we needed to check out of the hotel. It still turned out well in the end, so you'll see it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. So I'll just leave you to enjoy this look and I'll see you in the end. So this is the finished look. What do you think? Do you love it? Let me know in the comment section. You know, when it comes to Nigerian weddings, it's a very serious affair and I love the outfit. It's very beautiful. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And if you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up and comment, share as well. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.